Welcome to GSL GMCD 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. This Trail Boss is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to the 6-speed automatic transmission. Looking at the interior of the Custom Trail Boss, we have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We got our trailer select up there, push button 4x4, and then our automatic headlights and in-bed lighting. On our steering wheel, we got cruise control and the black Chevy bow tie, column shifter with keyed ignition, and we have a 6-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto still in there. We still have a Wi-Fi hotspot. We have a single zone climate control, integrated trailer braking system, USB ports, as well as the dual glove box with locking bottom. This truck has the all black interior. Up front, we got the cloth seats as well. We do have the 40-20-40 split, so your center console, which is still very practical. Cup holders, lots of storage, doubles up as that 6th seat. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black starred rims with the Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrack all-terrain tires on there. We got black door handles as well. Vehicle does come with remote start, blacked out window trim, and rear tinted privacy windows. Z71 off-road package. Trail Boss does come with the 2-inch factory lift up front as well, giving you that large aggressive stance. Halogen head bulbs out front here with the Z71 grill, red tow hooks. Very aggressive looking truck, looks absolutely killer coming down the road. Color matched rear bumper as well. With the Z71 off-road package, you get those dual chrome exhaust tips and trailer tow hitch, as well as LED lighting. Looking at the interior again here, we have the cloth 60-40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready, as well as there is in-seat storage. That 60-40 split allows you to quickly fold up those seats, have more room on the ground, as well as a little storage here. Solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom up top, and LED lighting to wrap it all up. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. If this is your next off-road ready V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.